Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about luxury convertibles of 2026, the Mercedes-Benz CLE Cabriolet. This stunning open-top vehicle combines sophistication, cutting-edge technology, dynamic performance, and year-round usability in a package that's both stylish and highly refined. If you're a fan of premium soft-top luxury cars, you'll love this video, so hit that like button and subscribe for more auto reviews. Glowing star introduction. What is the CLE Cabriolet? The 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE Cabriolet is the latest flagship convertible in Mercedes' lineup, replacing both the C-Class and E-Class Cabriolets and stepping into a new era of luxury drop-top motoring. It's a four-seater convertible 2+2 layout that blends sophistication with everyday comfort, making it ideal for both spirited drives and daily cruising. HT Auto. Fire design and exterior styling. Right from the first glance, the CLE Cabriolet impresses with sleek lines, an elongated bonnet, and a refined profile that marries elegance with athletic flair. It carries Mercedes' signature LED lighting setup at both ends and an optional AMG styling package for those who want a more aggressive look. Mercedes-Benz of Henderson +1. Convertible roof. One of the standout features is the multi-layer insulated soft top that can open or close in just 20 seconds at speeds up to around 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour. This roof isn't just about looks, its layered design offers excellent thermal insulation and reduced wind noise when closed, giving you a nearly coupe-like cabin experience. Lober Mercedes. AIRCAP and AIRSCARF. When the roof is down, Mercedes AIRCAP and AIRSCARF systems make cruising enjoyable even in cooler months. The AIRCAP wind deflector system reduces turbulence in the cabin by directing airflow over the occupants. Meanwhile, the AIRSCARF neck-level heating blows warm air around your neck and shoulders, making top-down driving comfortable no matter the temperature. Mercedes-Benz of Henderson +1. Bullseye powertrain and performance. The 2026 CLE Cabriolet is offered with multiple engine options, delivering a blend of power, efficiency, and smooth drivability. CLE 304 MATIC Cabriolet. 2.0L inline-4 turbo with 48-volt mild hybrid system. 255 horsepower. 295 pound-feet of torque. 9-speed automatic transmission. 0 to 60 mph in approximately 6.2–6.6 seconds. All-wheel drive, 4 MATIC. This engine strikes a balance between efficiency and spirited performance, ideal for everyday driving and long highway journeys. Mercedes-Benz of Henderson +1. CLE 454 MATIC Cabriolet. 3.0L turbocharged inline-6 with EQ boost. 375 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 mph in around 4.4 seconds. Same all-wheel drive system. This version adds far more punch and makes the CLE Cabriolet genuinely exciting in terms of acceleration while maintaining comfort. Lober Mercedes. AMG CLE 53 4MATIC Plus Cabriolet. For those craving high performance, the AMG CLE 53 brings 443 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque, delivering raw power and an exhilarating drive you expect from AMG-tuned engines. It reaches 0 to 60 mph in approximately 4 seconds and adds a much more aggressive visual character to the cabriolet. Mercedes-Benz of Henderson. All models benefit from mild hybrid technology, enhancing fuel economy, smoother start-stop functions, and better energy recovery under braking. Mercedes-Benz of Henderson. Couch and lamp interior and technology. Step inside, and the CLE Cabriolet's interior feels distinctly Mercedes, refined, modern, and driver-focused. Digital cockpit. The cabin features dual digital displays, a 12.3-inch instrument cluster and an 11.9-inch infotainment touchscreen powered by the latest MBUX system. Both screens offer crisp graphics, intuitive menus, and, especially for a convertible, reduced glare functionality. When the top is down. Motor trend. Luxury materials. Mercedes offers a wide array of upholstery choices including premium Nappa leather, MBUX, and other bespoke finishes in numerous colors like black, macchiato beige, tonka brown, and power red. These choices let you truly personalize your vehicle. Mercedes-Benz of Henderson. Connectivity and comfort. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, adaptive climate control, ambient lighting, and massaging seats with memory functions are all available. The Cabriolet also introduces additional safety features like separate head airbags, a bold reminder that wagons can still be significant, desirable, and incredibly capable. For drivers who want one car that truly does it all, the BMW M5 is a core aspect of the CLE Cabriolet. Isn't just an option, advanced driver assistance systems proves that practicality does spot